Hello, in this video we're gonna check all available gestures and motions on Motorola Moto G30. To do this, we'll need to open our settings. Inside, scroll all the way down and enter System. Right here you will find gestures. First one is swipe fingerprint for notifications. When activated, you can find fingerprint on the back of your phone and swipe it like that to show notifications panel. And let's try it out. It works fine. Then next one is quickly open camera by pressing on the power button twice, and it works from any screen. Next one is system navigation. Here you can choose how to navigate your phone, either by gesture navigations or 3 buttons navigations, and we've shown them more in detail in our previous video. You can check the playlist for this phone if you want to see it. Then there's a prevent ringtone, and you can choose to either put it on a vibrate or a mute. And when you press on the power button and volume up together, it will instantly enter one of those modes depending on which one you've chosen. Then the next one is a power menu, and here you can activate or deactivate show cards and passes. To access the things like payment methods and boarding passes, press and hold power button. It should reveal the power menu, and here you'll be able to activate Google Pay or the passes. Then there's device controls. To access controls for connected devices, hold the power button. If you have anything like a Bluetooth headset connected, you can also click on that and hold the power button, and it should show up right here. And the last one here is lock screen sensitive content. Show cards on and controls when locked, and you can see all of those options on the lock screen if you like. If not, then disable this option. Let's go back and then move to quick capture. You can twist your wrist with your phone to activate camera instantly. Then next one is 3-finger screenshot. When activated, click and hold 3 fingers onto your screen and it will make a screenshot. Next one is a fast flashlight. You will need to perform something like a handshake or karate chop to activate or deactivate a flashlight. Next one is swipe to split. This feature actually never works for me, but we can try. So you need to swipe your finger like this, shown in this animation, and it should cut your screen in half basically, so you can have one app open on top and one at the bottom, 2 different apps at the same time. Oh yeah, now it worked. So as you can see here, we can, for example, open a map, and on the top we can have a YouTube or something, whatever you like. Then there's a lift to unlock. When activated, you will need to set up your face unlock, and when you have that set, you can lift your phone, and when the camera detects your face, it will unlock your phone automatically. Then there's pick up to silence. When activated and you receive a phone call, you can pick up your phone and it should mute the ringtone. Flip for DND. When activated, you can flip your phone screen to the surface, and that way it will mute and enter do not disturb mode. And last one is media controls. So you can use volume up and volume down keys to control media. Let's activate it, learn more, and here hold a volume up key to go to the next track, and when the screen is off, press and hold the volume down key to go to the previous track. If this restarts the current track, perform the action again. Volume up and down. To adjust volume, tap and release volume up and down keys. So that means you won't be able to control volume by holding volume up or volume down. You will need to press on it when this one is activated. And I think, yep, that's all of the gestures and motions available on this device. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.